Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare BMW X5 versus Lincoln Nautilus. The BMW X5 boasts impressive performance with its powerful engine options, including a robust 3.0-liter inline-six, delivering strong acceleration. The Lincoln Nautilus, on the other hand, offers a smooth ride with its standard 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, focusing more on comfort. We'll look at how their horsepower and torque figures translate to real-world driving experiences and fuel efficiency. Moving inside, the BMW X5 presents a luxurious, driver-centric cabin with high-quality materials and sophisticated technology, including a large curved display. The Lincoln Nautilus emphasizes comfort and a serene atmosphere, offering ample passenger space and a user-friendly infotainment system. We'll explore their seating configurations, cargo capacity, and the array of driver assistance features that enhance convenience and safety on every journey. When it comes to safety, both the BMW X5 and Lincoln Nautilus are equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, such as adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. They have consistently earned strong crash test ratings from independent organizations, providing peace of mind. We'll also delve into their predicted reliability scores and the specifics of their warranty coverage, helping you understand the long-term dependability of each SUV. Finally, let's talk about value. The BMW X5 generally commands a higher starting price, reflecting its luxury branding and performance focus. The Lincoln Nautilus often presents a compelling value proposition, offering a generous list of standard features at a more accessible price point. We'll compare their various trim levels, potential ownership costs, and how each vehicle holds its value over time. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.